Hello there, it's Jennifer here. So glad to see you back. Today I'm thrilled to share you another beautiful beach destination with you. Let's go! Subscribe! Thanks for returning to my travel blog. Today we're exploring one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Get ready to soak up the beauty and feel the wanderlust. Hi my sweeties, greetings from the sunny Rio De Janeiro. I'm here capturing the incredible vibe of Leblon Beach just for you. Let's check it out together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi my darlings, how's everyone doing? I'm so happy to have you here on my channel where we explore the world's dreamiest beaches. Sit back, relax and let's dive into the magic. Hi friends, I'm over the moon to have you here today as we wander through the jaw-dropping beauty of Copacabana Beach, the most popular beach in Brazil. Let's discover its charm together. it's Jennifer here. So glad to see you back. Today, I'm thrilled to share you another beautiful beach destination with you. Let's go! Subscribe!